celebrated the first day of his 40 NRLW games, and to the men, they might not seem like much because you see men reaching 300 game milestones and things like that. But when you talk about the games only been going since 2018, the NRLW, that 40 games is really an achievement, and now he's going to follow through only 6 games after.
And next year is looking even more promising with the addition of 10 more teams.
So it started with 4 teams, and then there's going to be 12 teams with the inclusion of the Bulldogs and the Warriors.
2 more teams for a growing number of young footy fans to get behind.
We're seeing a lot of young girls coming out to watch, which is what I've noticed really going to these games, is that you can get into women's rugby league at such a young age now. Like when I grew up, I had to go and watch the men, which is totally fine, and I loved watching them, and I have heroes from the men's game, but now to see that young girls can come and have heroes in the women's game, it's really inspiring. I love seeing their young faces. I love seeing the girls and meeting them, because I find that the women's players have a lot of time as well. They can go around, they talk to all the young girls, they talk to the media, they're super friendly, and they're really great at promoting their game.
ABC Sport reporter Anthea Moody ending that report from Elizabeth Ramsey. Thanks for joining us at PM. I'm Rachel Neely. We'll be back at the same time tomorrow. Good night.
A second body has been recovered from the scene of a tragic weekend fire on Brisbane's Bayside. 8-year-old David Contini died in the blaze that destroyed a townhouse at Thornside on Sunday morning. A 31-year-old woman who'd been babysitting was initially unaccounted for. Late this afternoon, police made the grim discovery of the second victim. A post-mortem will be carried out to confirm the identity as investigations continue.